Hey there, I'm Amy. Let's create a tray design that comes from farmhouse over to spring. Just change it up for the season. We're starting with the eucalyptus teardrop swag as the base. And because it's a teardrop, we're going to move the stems around to even it out and create a balanced swag that'll be the center of our tray design. Look how easy that is. This tray is going to have a little bit of cheat in the bottom of it because when we put our decorative orbs in the tray, they're going to fall down inside. So I'm going to build up the base of it with an old book, and that'll be sitting on the center. Let's shape and place our eucalyptus swag on top of that. It's the perfect fit for this smaller tray that's available in our online store. Now we have decorative orbs that are heavy. They would fall to the bottom if you laid them into the eucalyptus, but by having the book for support underneath, I can use 3 of these cool wood balls with the numbers on them, and they'll be supported on the book itself. That gives us a nice start. Still looking very neutral in farmhouse. Let's add some cream. We can always do cream for any day of the year. These are mini blossom picks. So we're just going to lift them up and fan them out a little bit and tuck one of those off of each end. And that will give us that farmhouse cream color. Let's add more accent orbs. These are cool vine balls, decorative in 2 sizes. Let's use 1 on each end. And now, if you use this 2/3 of the year as your base, you can customize it seasonally. We're going to give it a little pastel color for the spring season, and these are cool paper flowering lace bushes that we have in pink, blue, and lavender that I'm using here today. Fan that out. When you nestle that into the center of the tray, you'll be able to tuck that and even curl it around to give it some shape. What I mean by that is fan those out. Grab a couple of the long stems, wrap around your finger to give it a little bit of a curve. It actually fans the stem out and makes it look a lot fuller while kind of eliminating everything being at the same height. When that goes into this side, it'll look nice and full without being overly heavy, so we're really achieving a nice airy look here. For the holiday season of spring, you'll be able to put in Easter bunnies, right? And we've left just enough space for that little guy to nestle in the top and add our final accent of the Easter blessing sign. And there you've got an easy changeable farmhouse tray design, good for multiple seasons to come.